What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we have a really interesting video actually. I purchased a whole box of ASOS mystery clothing items on the website that I bought this from, which was called buyershub.co.uk. This listing was advertised as an ASOS mystery box, and you can choose how many items you want to have inside. In the listing, it says generally the items inside are brand new with or without tags. And inside you might find things like Tommy Hilfiger, the North Face, Columbia, but also some ASOS owned brands. It basically just says it's a great opportunity to get a bundle of items at a very low price, so grab a bargain, and that's what we did. On the website, as I said, you could select to have different amounts of clothing, so there was 10, 20, 30, or 100. The 100 pieces was like almost £400, and to be honest, because this is a mystery box, I have no idea what's inside. I didn't really want to spend £400 on clothing that might not even fit me. However, the 20 pieces was a little bit more reasonable in price. It was only £85, and then with shipping on top, it cost me £93 in total. So let's crack this box right open and see what goodies we find here. Who knows, maybe we'll find some designer goods. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's open this bad boy up. This is everything that is inside, and the first item I see is camo. Interesting. Whoa, it's from Collusion. I've actually bought things from this brand before. It's a brand that sells on ASOS, but they have like really wacky and interesting clothing. Collusion is normally the clothing brand that I feature in my videos where I'm trying weird clothing from ASOS. Okay, here it is. We have a large pair of trousers in the size UK 18. This is literally exactly what I mean. I did not want to spend £400 on clothing that literally won't even fit me. My only aim in buying this box is to make an interesting video for you guys, and then afterwards I can donate all these brand new pieces of clothing that are clearly worth a lot more to charity. And also in the process, you guys get to see what kind of things you can expect in these like random mystery boxes. So yeah, that's the first item. Just a really nice pair of like camo trousers from Collusion. I have just come up with the best idea. What I might do is I might try and find these pieces of clothing on the internet. Obviously, they're probably going to be gone off of ASOS, but I might be able to find some traces of it somewhere and see what the original cost of each item was, and then together we'll see if this box was good value for money or not. Oh my gosh, you guys will not believe the next item. It's from Fila. Let's see here. It is a cropped swirl top in hot pink. It doesn't say the size. Oh, it's a small. Yay! Finally something my size that I might actually wear because I do really like this color. Oh my gosh, it's so summery. I'm obsessed. And I have to say, I would normally not buy anything from Fila because I think they are quite expensive. And usually they're not really selling things in my style, but this I actually really like. This is such a cool find. I mean, so far this box is looking okay. Okay, next up, what do we have here? We have a little white top from... what brand is this? It's from a brand called As You. It's called the Pointel tie front top in white. This literally feels so strange because I'm like basically doing an ASOS haul, but this did not come from ASOS. Wow, this is cute. Again, definitely something that I would wear in the summer. Even though it's a size 10, I definitely could still fit in this. I really like it. Okay, what have we got next? I have a hat from a brand called Boardman's. I have never heard of this brand before, but I'm gonna have to try and look it up. It's not exactly my style, but it is a brand new hat and the bubble is kind of cute. Even though it has that little hint of blue, I do actually like it. I think I could make this work. Next up, we have whatever this is. It looks like a checkered black and white piece of clothing. Probably not gonna be my usual style, but this is in a UK 4 and it's from Topshop. No way. Oh wow, it's a pair of like flared trousers. Definitely very interesting. It's kind of giving QR code. I feel like this would be great for like a Halloween costume. I don't think it's a bad pair of trousers though. These are really funky and interesting. They're just not really my style or taste. But the fact that they're brand new from Topshop, I feel like these are gonna go down a treat at the charity shop. Next up, we have this. I have no idea what it is. It has no label on it. Oh, it does actually. It's again from a brand called As You. It's a wrap mesh bandeau corset dress in black. This is in UK 6, which is my size, so I'm really excited to see what this is. Ooh, this is cute. I mean, there's never too many little black dresses, that's for sure. And it's ruched. This is right up my street. Genuinely, I'm obsessed with this. I think this is such a cute dress, and the fact that it's in my size makes it even better. Next up, we have another item from Collusion. Let's see what this is. I feel like Collusion has like the very funky looking items. Ooh, wow, this is really interesting. Again, it's not really my taste in terms of colors, but the fabric feels nice and I do like the little pattern. Definitely a very cute top for somebody out there, and this is in a UK 8. I've been quite fortunate actually. It was only the start that really made me feel a little bit like, oh my gosh, what have I done? Is everything gonna be not my size? But actually there's quite a lot of things that I could probably wear. The next item is a little black sort of, I guess, top. It's from a brand called Hit. Is this a sports bra? It does look it. Ooh, this is nice. It looks like a workout top. I really like this. It's ribbed, it's nice and stretchy, it's got a thick band underneath, and this is in my size, yay! Originally, this was £12. It's even got the price on it. The next item is this. It's like a royal navy blue. What could this possibly be? I'm thinking it's a top. Oh, wow. What is going on here? I have no idea how you're supposed to wear this. Oh, okay. I get it now. So this is the front. This is the back, and it's kind of like backless, but the strap goes kind of like slanted on the back. So it's like a one off the shoulder situation. I really like this. This is cute. This was again from the brand As You. This was called the Disco Halter Cami Top. Oh my gosh, wait, I have another top from the Hit brand. It's actually exactly the same as the previous black one. So in those two tops alone, that's just literally £24 sitting there. The next item we have is a dress, I'm guessing, from In The Style, and this is in a size 8. Let's take a look. Oh, okay. I mean, it's not really my style because of all the sequins, but it is still cute. I do think this would make a really nice like New Year's Eve dress. Oh wow, it's got like a little dangly thing as well. Very cute. Okay, next up we have something a little bit risque. No way! I thought this was just like a sexy bra, but actually it's a bralette from Tommy Hilfiger. No way. I really didn't think that there was going to be anything of like great value in this or any brand names. I just thought they said that in the listing, but no, there is actually a real Tommy Hilfiger bra. This is so cool. This is a Tommy jeans size small to medium. I mean, I don't normally care for brands when it comes to underwear, but this is really cool and it's actually my size, so I'm definitely going to keep this. Okay, next up we have another black item. This is from Miss Selfridge. Is Miss Selfridge even still around? I remember this as a brand back in the day. Ooh, okay, it's a little black turtleneck. This is in a UK 6, which happens to be my size. Great. And this was £14 originally. Again, it's got the price on it. This is awesome. I mean, there's never enough turtlenecks, especially if they're ribbed, in my wardrobe. So yeah, I'm really liking this. Ooh, we then have a pair of jeans. Again from Miss Selfridge. And guess what, guys? These are not in my size, sadly, but they might still work. Who knows? They say they're a 30 waist and length 32. Are these actually a UK 12? I don't think they are. I think they're my size. This is, yeah, a bit weird. Anyways, this is what they look like. They are high-waisted, super skinny, and they're called Lizzie. I actually really like these. They've got little rips on them. They look like really nice, decent quality denim as well. And again, I'm sure these were not cheap. Moving right along, the next item I have is this, which I have no idea what this is, but it's from a brand called Dickies. Okay, I can already tell these are not going to be my taste, but let's take a look. Are these even women's? I think they're men's, to be honest. Are these women's? I have no idea, but they've got like paisley kind of pattern all over them. They're size 27, so I do feel like I would be able to fit in these actually. Again, I know that Dickies as a brand is not that cheap, so this is pretty cool. Ooh, next up we have another Topshop item. This time it's a green petite wrap dress. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh wow, this is interesting. Okay, definitely not my style, but this is the dress. It's interesting, that's for sure. It's got like little ruffles on the front. I don't love the color or the pattern, I'm not gonna lie, but you guys probably already knew that. Oh wow, next up we have Berg House trousers from what it looks like. These are in a size small. They're a cord windproof pant. Interesting, let's take a look at them. Again, I know of Berg House as a brand. I don't ever like buy anything from them, but this looks cool. Oh wow, nice. I swear Berg House is more for like hiking clothing. Is that right? They do look like something that you would wear on like a hike or a walk when you want to protect your skin from the wind. So yeah, this is what they look like. They're brand new. They probably would have been very expensive. So yeah, pretty cool. Okay, we have 3 items left. First up, we have this. It's a huge item from Collusion. I'm guessing this is gonna be a coat of some kind. Let's see here. Okay, we have a black puffer coat. Nice. This is awesome. I actually really need a black coat like this for when I'm working around the house and I don't want to get like my nice clothes dirty. You guys know I often like wear light colors like this, so anytime I wear anything light whilst I'm building the house with Matt, it's just not a good idea. So this is gonna be perfect because I don't have to worry about getting it dirty. So yeah, I feel like this will be a great workwear coat. It's actually not a bad coat just to wear like for real out and about as well. It's got like this really nice cinched in area at the back. It's belted, so it does look like it will be quite flattering, but it is quite a large size. What size is this? It definitely looks like a size 12 to me, but that's okay. I'm just wearing it for work. The next item we have is a little pink moment, and I'm actually really excited about this. It's a dress from Miss Selfridge, and it's actually in my size 6. Let's see. I mean, I'm already loving the color. So let's see what the actual like fit of it is. What's the design? Okay, so it looks like a wrap front kind of dress. This is adorable, you guys. What in the world? This is so cute. Guys, I'm actually in love with this dress, and I would never buy something like this for myself from Miss Selfridge, but look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, I am so taking this to Japan with me next year. Does this not look like the perfect dress to wear in Tokyo under the cherry blossoms? That's the vision. Oh my gosh, I am so happy about this. This one dress has made this whole entire box for me. And now the very last piece of clothing in here is from, oh, Miss Selfridge once again. There's quite a few pieces from here. This one is in a size 14, so it probably won't fit me right, but let's see what it is anyway. I have a feeling it's probably a top. Here it is. Oh, okay. I don't think that actually would be too big for me. It's one of those tops that you can wear a little bit oversized. It does look really cute. I'm not normally super into like floral patterns, but this is really nice actually. Again, it's brand new with the tags, with the labels. This is so adorable. Okay, so that's basically everything that was inside this box that I got for £90 or so. I honestly do feel like I've been quite lucky and fortunate that a lot of the items I probably will keep and use, which does not happen very often whenever I do these like mystery box videos. So I do feel as though I've been quite lucky and fortunate just this once. I do think my favorite piece of clothing that I found in this mystery box was probably this dress. This dress is definitely not very me, but I feel like there's a time and place for everything, and I feel like I have an occasion to wear this too. I'm actually going to be looking up all these clothing pieces and trying to find the original price online when I'm editing this video. So if I've managed to find the clothing piece or something really similar to it, this is the total price that I managed to find everything would have come to as the RRPs. And I mean, the original price point of everything that we got in this box versus what I paid for it is quite a huge difference. So what would I rate my experience of buying this ASOS mystery box from buyershub.co.uk? I would say it was quite a good one for once. I'm giving this box a big thumbs up. I'm actually going to give it like an overall rating of an 8 out of 10. I do feel I've made my money back based on a few of the clothing pieces in here, which clearly would have been so expensive. So yeah, if you guys want me to do more videos like this and you enjoyed this one, definitely smash that huge thumbs up down below. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you here. But that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.